Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are presenting a project we built as a part of our CSE-AI&ML program at Maharaja Institute of Technology, Mysore. It's called the Property Service Agent, an AI-powered system designed to completely transform how properties are managed. And trust me, by the end of this video, you will understand why this idea matters a lot in today's world. So without any further delay, let's get into it. So let's start with the big picture. Why does property management even need a revolution? Think about it. With the rapid urbanization happening across every major city, millions of tenants are living in apartments and rental units. Thousands of landlords are managing multiple properties at once. The demand for smart automated service handling has never been higher, and AI driven agents are now beginning to reshape how properties are managed from communication all the way to compliance. So, why did we choose this domain? Three reasons. Firstly, rapid urbanization is pushing the need for smarter housing solutions. Secondly, this was the perfect opportunity to implement real agentic AI, not just a chatbot, but a system that actually does things. And thirdly, this directly ties into smart city and urban housing initiatives that are very relevant right now. And here is why this matters in this real world. It can reduce manual workload for property managers by up to 60%. It speeds up tenant issue resolution, which means higher satisfaction, and it enables scalable auditing and analytics across multiple properties. That's the vision. Now let's look at what the current reality looks like. Here is the hard truth. Property service management today is stuck in the past. Manual, scattered and painfully slow. Tenants wait days just for their issues to be resolved. Managers are constantly losing tracks of requests. Auditing is done on spreadsheets, yes, actual spreadsheets, and there is simply no intelligence in the system. This boils down to three key challenges. Number one, no centralized communication. Everyone is talking on different platforms and nothing is connected. Number two, no request tracking. Once a complaint is filed, it disappears into a black hole. And number three, no AI or automation. Everything is manual, which means it is slow, error prone, and expensive. This is not a mirror of inconvenience. It is a real operational problem costing time, money, and tenant trust every single day.
Next, we have existing systems. So you might be thinking that doesn't this already exist? And yes, there are solutions out there like CRM tools, ticketing systems, even IoT enabled smart homes. But here's the catch. Each one of these are one piece of the puzzle. None of them talk to each other. Like CRM doesn't give the audit reports, or IoT sensors doesn't file a service request, and a phone call doesn't appear on your analytics dashboard. So we are not trying to reinvent the wheel, but we are trying to build a whole unified intelligence system that handles the communication, tracking, auditing, and analytics all in one place. Okay, so here's the solution, the property service agent. Imagine a tenant types like the AC in unit 204 has been making noise for 2 days. So our agent does not just log that, it understands its maintenance issues, it classifies it as a medium priority, it pings the landlord, schedules the technician, and also tracks the whole thing until it is resolved. So if it's not resolved in 48 hours, then it escalates automatically. So from the landlord side, they open a dashboard and see that 3 open requests, 1 urgent, and 2 resolved this week. So maintenance cost this month would be so and so, and all this thing will be visible in only one screen. So that's the power of our the thing we have built. Now let's get a little technical. This is the backbone of our system. At the top, we have the users, that is the tenant, landlords, admins, each with their own interface. Below that is the brain of the system, that is our AI agent layer. This is where the natural language is processed, intents are classified, and the multimodal inputs like text, images, and voice are handled. Below that is the service logic. This is where the requests get managed, audit gets logged, and analytics get computed. So all of these sites are on top of the structured data layer that keeps everything organized and it can be retrievable. So it's a modular, which means that each piece can be upgraded or it can be scaled independently. Okay, so now where do we even go here? Honestly, the roadmap is exciting. So the phase 1 is all about making the system more secure and financially complete, like the role-based logins and rent payments integrations via UPI or Razorpay. And phase 2 brings the deeper intelligence like automated technician scheduling or rich visualization dashboards for landlords, which can see exactly what's happening in their all the properties. Next, phase 3 is all about the accessibility, which is the voice interactions for elderly or less tech savvy users, and multi-language support starting with Kannada, English, Hindi, Tamil, or any regional languages, because this solution need to work for India, not just for the metros. And the phase 4 is about cloud and mobile, because the future of the property management should be in your pockets. And next we have the references. So these are the references we have referred. Okay, now let's move on to the demo video. Now I will demonstrate our property service agent, an AI powered assistant designed to simplify the property search and management through the natural language interaction. As you can see on the screen, the system maintains the database of available properties. Each properties contains the important details such as location, rent amount, number of bedrooms, bathrooms, availability status, and other relevant information. So the main feature of our project is the AI powered conversational interface. Like instead of manually searching through the multiple listings, the users can simply interact with the agent using the natural language. So okay, here I open the new chat session. So the session management feature allows the users to maintain the multiple conversations, as you can see here, independently, making it easier to track different properties inquiries. Okay, now I have sent hi. It has replied. Now I'll ask the agent to recommend the properties. So okay, the AI analyzes the properties databases and returns the suitable recommendations based on the available listings. So here you can see, so along with the recommendations, it also provides the summarized information about each properties, helping the users quickly understand the available options. So as you can see here, next I'll request the detailed information about the specific property, like which property have more than 3 bedrooms. So the agent will retrieve the relevant data from the database and present the complete details such as address, city, state, rent amount, bedroom count, bathroom count, and availability status, as you can see here. So one of the key strengths of our system is contextual understanding, that the AI remembers the ongoing conversation and it uses the previous interactions to provide the more relevant responses without requiring the use of repeated information. So now I'll demonstrate the comparison capability, like instead of manually checking multiple listings, I'll be asking how many properties are currently available. So the system will analyze the selected properties and highlight the differences in rent, location, facilities, availability, and overall suitability. Okay. The agent can also answer the follow-up questions regarding the properties. So users can ask about rental cost, availability properties in a particular area, or request the recommendation matching specific requirements. So the AI processes these queries and generates the accurate responses instantly. As shown here, the chatbot provides the structured and easy to understand information, making the property exploration much faster and more convenient compared to the traditional searching methods. So the application also supports the multiple chat sessions, as you can see here, to allowing the users to organize their conversations and revisit the previously property searches whenever they need it. So overall, the property service agent acts as an intelligent assistant that bridges the gap between the users and the property information. It will definitely reduce the manual effort, improves the user's experience, and provides the quick access to the property related insights through a simple conversation interface. So this concludes the demonstration of our property service agent. Thank you.